Hello friends, today I have got for you another popular street food, Raam Laddu. This is not a laddu, but this is actually Moong Dal pakora, very popular in the northern side of our country. For Raam Laddu, I have taken Moong Dal. I have soaked it overnight. I am going to grind it first. In this, I am going to add some powdered masalas. So first goes salt to taste, little haldi powder, little jeera powder, little mirchi powder. Now I am going to add some hing, a pinch of hing, and some baking powder. This will make the pakoras crispy. Now some spice element, I'll add some green chilies. A lot of it. And give this a good mix. So the dal mixture for my Raam Laddus are done. Let me put this in a bowl. So the dal mixture is absolutely ready. Now I need to deep fry them in hot oil. You have to fry these Raam Laddus till they are crisp and golden brown in color. Next, one ingredient that goes on top of Raam Laddu is Mooli, grated Mooli. This is very unique. It's not served in all parts, but this is how traditionally it is served. Some grated Mooli goes, and then some chatpata green chutney, pudina dhania chutney, and then tamarind chutney, which is jo imli ka chutney, that also goes. Some chaat masala. Chaat masala makes it chatpata. And my final flourish, that's sprinkling of dhania. Raam Laddus for you.